When you trade in your truck, please don't lock the keys in it.
It's this one right here.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Customer locked the car and left.
Oh.
He locked it. It's a straight. He locked it. He cleared it out and then left the keys and unlocked it. The salesperson's cell phone's in there too.
Oh, that's always lovely.
Yeah. He I'll keep the phone for you. There's what?
Alright, let's see. That should have worked.
That was quick.
Yep. Oh, when you do this long enough, you get used to it.